Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So I recently got an email from Play Console about updating the app to the latest API level. And when I checked out, I found out that my app cannot be more than 1 year old from the latest API level, which is API level 17. So, which is API level 36 and Android version 17. So, uh, so whatever my current version, whatever the target SDK version or target API level for my app, it has to be Android 16. That means API level 36 compatible by August 31. Okay, so if you need more time, you can request more time, but if you fail to do so, you will not be able to update your apps. So I was not updating my app for last 1 year, and my Flutter version had default target SDK to Android 15, which is API level 35. So I did not upgrade my Flutter version. Flutter version being a little bit old is fine. What I had to do is I had to update the Android Gradle plugin version. I had to update it to 8.9.1, which is the minimum version for Android 16. And then I had to set the target SDK to 36, which is for Android 16. If you want to target the latest Android like Android 17, you can do so, but minimum version you had to do is Android 16 for API level 36. So also I have set to the compile SDK to 36, but this is not required, and NDK version is fine. And earlier I had to make the app to the 16 kilobyte page size compliant for the newer version of Androids. So these two are the minimum changes I had to go through. So if your Android Gradle plugin is older than this, then you must upgrade to this one. And after upgrading to this one, if your Flutter version need to be upgraded, you have to do so. But if not, that is fine. And finally, build the production build the a obfuscated AB file, and I just built that, and I'll upload that to my console to see if it succeeds, to see if complies with this requirement. So for that, so here is the release dashboard. So I'll just create a new release. My last release was release 9, so it is release 10 now. So here I'll just upload the latest build, which is the release AAB file. I'll just drag and drop it here, and it will update. So that's it. If your app is a Flutter app and you want to make it up to date with this requirement, then as I have said, we'll have to target at least SDK 36, and for that you may need to upgrade your Android Gradle plugin, and for that you may need to upgrade your Gradle as well. And Flutter version is actually not dependent on this one, so one changes this and then your target SDK is 36 or 37. So those are the new update on the target API level. So thanks for watching. If you need any further clarification, feel free to comment down below. I'll be happy to make a new video in depth on this or any other related topics. And target SDK is 36 here, so let's create a release note and upload it. So I think it will it will resolve the red notification because it is already identified as Target SDK 36, which is the requirement by August 31, 2026. So thanks once again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until that time, happy coding.